Permanently ban artificial superintelligence and artificial general intelligence. Any attempt at trying to solve alignment is putting my family members at risk. You cannot have experimental evidence that something smarter than us will stay safe forever. That is not possible.
Define superintelligence.
The talk of safe, very powerful systems is a waste of time. Professor Bengio, you should be advocating for banning these things. You cannot provably show that they're safe. This is ridiculous. The work that OpenAI is doing, that Anthropic is doing, is putting everyone's lives here at risk, and all of our loved ones at risk. I beg you to please do something to stop the development of superintelligence and artificial general intelligence. We have so little time. We're having a protest in front of OpenAI this Friday at 4:30. If you have time, please come. We need to do everything possible to stop them, because what they're doing is going to kill everyone on Earth. Thank you.
It's a good idea.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you for it.
Appreciate what you're doing.
No, fine. Yeah, we'll try.
I'll take your literature.
Second fire.
I just put my name tag back.